In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ActiveCampaign with Clickfunnels so you can manage your marketing automation and funnel activity more efficiently. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, making your setup quick, simple, and seamless. To begin, head over to the ActiveCampaign website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click on the login button. Enter your account name or the email address associated with your profile, then continue by clicking on the login option. After you're signed in, you'll be directed straight to your main dashboard. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the dashboard and select the settings option. This area gives you access to several important tools, including the details needed for integrating third-party platforms. Inside the settings menu, click on Developer. Here you'll find two key pieces of information: your API URL and your API key. These two items are essential for building a secure connection between ActiveCampaign and Clickfunnels, so go ahead and copy both and keep them readily available. With that done, let's switch over to Clickfunnels. Log into your Clickfunnels workspace and navigate to your account settings. Once there, locate the integration section. This is where all outside applications can be connected and managed. Click into integrations and you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Type ActiveCampaign into the search box and select it from the list when it appears. You'll now be prompted to enter the API URL and API key that you copied earlier. Carefully paste each one into its corresponding field, making sure there are no extra spaces or typing errors. These details allow Clickfunnels to communicate directly with your ActiveCampaign account, ensuring your contacts, automations, and funnel activities sync properly. When you're ready, click on the Proceed button. If everything checks out, you should receive a confirmation letting you know that the integration was successful. At this point, your ActiveCampaign account is officially connected to Clickfunnels, unlocking the full ability to sync data, tag leads, and automate follow-ups based on your funnel actions. With this integration in place, you'll be able to manage customer journeys with far more accuracy and efficiency. Instead of juggling platforms manually, both systems now work together to support your marketing strategy, giving you more time to focus on growth, content creation, and optimizing your funnels. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial. Enjoy the seamless combined power of ActiveCampaign and Clickfunnels, and I'll see you in the next video.